Hey guys, it's October 3rd. We're partway to Alberta for our annual goose and duck trip. We're gonna make it there later tonight, about dinner time, and scout in the morning and then hunt tomorrow night. Hopefully it's gonna be another good trip, and keep you posted on the way there. Should be a blast with the family.
How many would you say there is here?
It's hard to tell because it keeps building.
1,000?
Yeah, getting up there, I'd say. Okay, so we're just out scouting. Found our first big feed. A little bit of a mix. A lot of snows. Just hold on for a sec, Jess. Don't start your truck. Pretty loaded. Ducks are starting to pour in. And the field continues to build. Look at this. Yeah, just got permission.
Well, what do you got lined up?
How did you know we had one lined up?
So we just made it out to the field for our night hunt here. Farmer won't let us drive into the field because of crop disease apparently going around. And so we gotta walk everything, which kind of sucks, but there's tons of snows in this field, a little bit of a mixed bag, specs and ducks, so don't mind walking everything in, and yeah, I'll catch up with you when we're getting closer to being set up. So we just got set up in the field. We weren't late, but the birds were flying super early, and while we were setting up, we probably could have got 10. Lots of juvies coming right in, and yeah, just getting set up here now. It's raining pretty hard, but it looks like it's gonna be a deadly shoot, so next clip will be on the GoPro, blasting some birds. Hey, more snows! Tristan! Oh! Tiny, did you see that snipe? Get that! Oh yeah! I went 2 for 3.
Yeah, I got French.
Holy fuck! I only got 2 shots. I didn't know what to.
Crunched this back my first shot. Like,
Yeah.
absolutely obliterated.
Dude, I didn't know what to do there.
Man, that last shot.
Jeez, that was bad. Crunched on the deck. Remington 870. Good night. Sorry. Sorry, I was doing commentary on the mic. Oh, whole flock! Yeah, so did I. Only shot twice. Job, guys. That was insane. Whole flock, I think there's 7. Oh boy. That was interesting, to say the least. Boom. Well, we got about, we got 1 adult out of that big flock. I think we got about 20 birds down. Mostly snows, couple ducks, 1 Canada, and a handful of specks, but just a slaughter so far. We got 7 guns out today, laying in the whites. They're getting fooled so far. It's raining, decent amount of wind, not tons, and they're right on the deck. It's awesome. Big group of snowies coming in. See how they want to play right now. Oh yeah, go down, go down, go down. You see ya?
I already got 1.
Did you see that?
My shooting was. Oh!
Holy shit. Get him again. See ya. Heads up.
Coming straight in.
Holy shit. I don't give a fuck that I'm loading my gun right now. Oh, you want a 3-inch 4? Yeah, I'm looking at you on the left. You want one? Mom, shoot it, Mom. Get him again! Nosedive! Big adult. Beauty. We got an Emmy over here, getting a little bird cleanup. No clue how many we got. All I know is it's a lot. I got a nice adult here.
away. Take him away. Atta boy. Shoot him!
Oh yeah. Ah, go down, go down, go. Come on, get in here, get in here. Come on, come on. Pintails?
Shoot him!
One down.
Yeah, I know. I just. Shoot him! Got one green. What? Too far. What other birds got? I don't got enough bill.
Get him again!
Get him again, George.
Fuck! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god!
Nice shot!
Airmail 5! What the world? Shoot him, Wyatt. Didn't even have to shoot. I didn't even shoot. I just aimed and waited until someone.
Oh my gosh. Holy fuck. We're standing in the decoys. Goodbye. Oh,
Jeez, they're eating the lead.
you're brutal. No, no. Oh, third one. Good shooting.
4 shots. Oh. Shoot him. Oh, yeah. Nice shot, buddy. Shoot him.
Get him! Oh, double tapped.
That's a big adult going out.
Wait, wait, wait. Oh, you bastard.
I got 2 there.
I didn't even shoot. They were so damn close to me. Good shooting. You got him. You got him. Right now. Don't get him too close. Yeah, I think it wanted in. Oh, is that one on the left? Where's Tommy? Make sure you know where Tommy is. Got that drink. Wrong one.
I got him. Tiny killed him too.
No, that was me.
Good shot, Wyatt.
Thanks. Juvie snow coming right in. Hopefully Mom can dust it. Wanted to let him get a little further away, but got him down. Snowy's on the deck. Oh fuck. Here we go. Let him come, let him come. Dump him.
Oh, Drake Mallard. Look at that shot. Run. You see that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Another Mallard.
I hope he got all. Is it a Drake?
Drake.
Nice shot, Tiny. Boy, Brad. About to send these two to the gulag. Night. See ya. Dude, I put my gun up and I had my... Okay. Owners are so stupid, I can eat my pizza as they come in. And I don't even need to flinch. Come on, Mom. Dust this one. Get him, Mom. No.
Oh, 2 for 2. Let's go.
Nice shooting, guys.
Maybe the 2 3/4 twos apart.
Specs coming in. Holy. Let's lay into these. Oh my goodness. A couple adults on the left. Let them come.
Shoot up!
Oh, heads up! Ah.
Should have had that.
Let it come. Oh my. Oh.
Attaboy. I was behind him every shot. I couldn't go fast enough.
Did you see how fast?
Time I would have got on it, it would have been absolutely perfect.
Did you see that?
Wait for Snowy.
Oh shit. Ready to rumble. Let him come. There you go. Oh yeah, boys. Lay it into him. Oh, Dad going.
Oh! Dad just rolled one.
Dad just folded one.
Oh, coming right in.
Where? Oh wow, those are coming in. Oh, peach rains. Give him shit. Jeez. We did good on those. Those are pretty far.
Right, this one's gonna come straight up. Film it, please.
Tommy the Black Lab. Huh. Not shooting you right now, buddy. Wait. Ow! Snipe! Yeah! Well, Tommy's got about 6 or so right there. He's got another one here. The e-collar going, the new one. And I think we're getting close to triple digits here. I think we're coming up on 100 birds. Best hunt of my life. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. No other words to explain it.
Nice, Jordy. Oh, another one, right in.
Same clip.
I got him.
Wait for the double. Shoot him!
Oh!
Jesus. Yeah. I was gonna...
Yeah.
I was letting you guys shoot those ones up top, and I was gonna wait for the snows, but they never ended up coming.
Fuck, I seen it too.
Just shot my first Alberta blue goose. Saw him coming in. Targeted him. Dumped him. Shot one in Saskatchewan before, but never Alberta. Check that out. Beauty bird. Yeah, so like I showed before on the GoPro. First Alberta blue goose for me. Pretty sweet, pretty stoked. Nice colors. I think we're into the hundreds for sure now. It's crazy. Nice shot.
No, I shot. She wasn't gonna shoot, sorry. Hit him.
Anyone see the double coming in?
Oh, God. Hey, right behind him.
Oh, good shooting, Wyatt. That was awful. Oh, who's got a shell? Who's got a shell? Goose. Second one of the night. Second blue of the night for me.
Blue, Dad. Yeah, I know. Wyatt. I got no shells. Got him. Watch it, Trent. Nice shot. Got Wyatt. I'm out. He literally just shot like a dozen in the last 9 minutes. That's enough birds, guys.
No.
No. I'm out. Who's out here?
Just shot my second blue goose of the night. I mean, only on nights like this shit happens. Got over 100 birds, no clue how many now. Tons of snows. Lost for words, really. Running out of shells. Running back to the truck for the second trip. Another beauty. Look at that. Nice shooting. Holy. Oh, roll over. Oh yeah, got him. Double tagged. There we go. Wait. What? Oh yeah, full job. Got him! God. I had to lead that thing a lot. Well, Tiny, how was the hunt?
Best shoot of our lives by far.
Getting a video there, Wyatt?
You bet. Oh my gosh. That's unreal.
What was the
How many, Tiny?
29.
Tiny, how many?
191.
191.
We got 39 ducks.
I like the last one that you did.
Like that one. 40. The very,
Watch out, Dad.
the very last photo you did is the best.
Dad, watch out. How many snows?
How many ducks and how many geese?
How many snows?
45 ducks. Hey, calculate.
146 geese.
How many snows?
15 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 times 8, 120.
Well, as you saw in that last clip, crazy hunt. 191 birds. Yeah, nothing more to say. Look at that. My best hunt ever before this was 70. Just
Send that to
a
Doral.
little more.
10 years, 191.
Check that out. So we got 122 snows and then 2 blues. I don't know where those ended up with. There we go. 2 blue geese, which is cool. Never get many of those in Alberta. 40 some odd ducks, decent amount of specks, and 1 Canada.
Yeah, we need to charge those.
Yep, absolutely crazy.